Simplify your life with Mesh Smart Triggers to make everyday objects smarter. Mesh app-enabled, smart triggers can be set to match your needs whether you're looking for little ways to automate your home or need a wireless button to take photos on your phone just for fun. Add a smart trigger to just about anything to make it smarter: your alarm clock, coffee maker, garage door, connected light bulb, speaker, wearable, or anything you'd like. You can get started with just one rechargeable, reusable, smart sensor, and the free Mesh app puts it all at your fingertips. Mesh app is available on iOS and Android. Never lose your pet again. 1 in 3 pets go missing in their lifetime. That's more than 10 million pets a year. Make sure your pet isn't one of them. The Pod is a GPS tracker and activity monitor for dogs and cats designed to be attached to any size collar. It lets you locate your pet on demand, monitor their activity, and record adventures on your smartphone or computer. Our new generation Pod 2 now has Wi-Fi, which helps deliver faster positions and offers the ability to locate indoors. Key features: fully waterproof, smallest and lightest, suitable for all animals, 2x rechargeable batteries, up to 5 days battery. This item finder is remote control. It is used as a phone finder, key finder, and wallet locator. It is black. 1/8 thin tracker gives you a warning when you lose your key, wallet, and phone. Award-winning won Best Design Award of Red Dot 2016. Environmentally friendly button, battery lasts up to 1 year, and is replaceable. MYNT Community Network have millions of people help you locate your lost child, puppy, or valuables. Universal Smart Remote to control your smartphone to make selfie shots, play music, and control PPT on MacBook. Battery lasts up to 1 year when standby, 3 to 6 months under normal use. Industry's first 8-port 84-watt 16.8 amp rapid USB wall charger. Octofire charges up to 8 devices simultaneously with fastest speed of 2.18 per port. It intelligently detects the connected device and supplies the optimal current for fastest possible charging. Built-in overheat, overcharge, overcurrent, and overvoltage protection makes it safe to use even at high power output of 84 watts. It is internationally compatible with the input voltage range of AC 100-220V, and hence can be used in any country. All USB ports of this charger are optimized to charge your smartphones, tablets, power banks, e-readers, Bluetooth headphones, portable speakers, MP3 players, digital cameras, and any other device that charges with an USB cord. Make your space stand out with Wi-Fi connected LaMetric Time. Create your own or choose from thousands of unique clock faces, created by pixel art fans, that are sure to make your interior exciting and eye-catching. Plunge into the holiday atmosphere with LaMetric Time and its festive clock faces that automatically come to life on holidays. Christmas tree, Easter bunny, or a pumpkin mean it's time to celebrate. When days go by so quickly it's hard to keep track of the current date. With Time's feature called Page-A-Day Calendar, don't search for the date on your computer anymore. Get it just when you need it at a glance on your smart clock. Meet Sense, the simple system that helps you understand your sleep and wake up feeling great. By monitoring the conditions of your bedroom and recognizing your movements during the night, Sense can give you detailed insights into how you can sleep better. It's a simple system that tracks your sleep behavior, monitors the environment of your bedroom, and reinvents the alarm. Sense sits close to your bed and uses state-of-the-art sensors to monitor the environment in your bedroom before and during your sleep. The sleep pill recognizes your movement during the night, knowing when you're drifting off or sound asleep. There's nothing to where it clips right to your pillow.